Watch out for DRACO. MIT scientist develops vaccine to cure all viral diseases. And that is spelled DRACO, the name of the new vaccine. The agenda of the satanic seed line on the earth, as revealed in the book of Genesis, if you will read it very slowly and read what God says to Eve, and then what he says to the serpent, talking about the serpent's line on the earth through Eve. That agenda is so out in the open right now. It's so in your face. The DRACO is Satan's line. That's the hierarchy. That's the very top of the reptilian line. And when I saw this news article talking about the name of this vaccine, DRACO, that is supposed to be a vaccine for all viruses, it just made me sick. It's so in your face and out in the open now. This is the reptilians' hatred personified for all of mankind. We'll go over this article very quickly. And here is an illustration of the constellation DRACO that the mainstream media so proudly and loudly proclaimed months ago. The article starts off by talking about viral pathogens that pose serious health threats worldwide. And it says that there haven't been any vaccines that were effective until now. As part of the panacea for pharmacological augmentation of non-specific anti-pathogen cellular enzymes and activities project, researchers from MIT Lincoln Laboratory have developed and demonstrated a novel broad-spectrum antiviral approach called DRACO for double-stranded RNA activated caspase. DRACO selectively induces apoptosis or cell suicide in cells containing any viral dsRNA, rapidly killing infected cells without harming uninfected cells. Yeah, I bet. As a result, DRACO should be effective against virtually all viruses, rapidly terminating a viral infection while minimizing the impact on the patient. Todd Ryder invented the panacea and DRACO antiviral therapeutics and previously invented the canary cellular analysis and notification of antigen risk and yield sensor for rapid pathogen detection and identification. Dr. Todd Ryder, senior staff scientist at MIT Lincoln Laboratory's Chemical, Biological, and Nanoscale Technologies Group. Did you hear that? Chemical, Biological, and Nanoscale Technologies Group invented panacea and the DRACO therapeutics and led the team that developed them. Scott Wick in charge of DRACO production, Christina Zook in charge of cell testing, Tara Botcher in charge of mouse trials, and Jennifer Pan-Coast and Benjamin Sussman, who performed additional experiments. Yeah, I can just about imagine those experiments. How about you all? Yeah, they've been having a lot of fun with their experiments on people who have been abducted and held in those underground cells and prisons and cages. In work reported in the journal PLOS 1, DRACO was shown to be effective against all 15 viruses that the team has so far tested in cells, including cold viruses, H1N1 influenza strains, adenoviruses, a stomach virus, a poliovirus, dengue fever virus, and several members of hemorrhagic fever, arenavirus, and bunyavirus families. DRACO was also demonstrated to be non-toxic. Oh my goodness, and they really expect us to believe this? Non-toxic in 11 different cell types representing various species, humans, monkeys, mice, and organ types, heart, lung, liver, kidney. In addition, experiments demonstrated that DRACO not only is non-toxic to mice, but also can save mice infected with a lethal dose of H1N1 influenza. Currently, the team is testing additional viruses in mice and beginning to get promising results with those as well. And they expect us to believe this. It is so